Hello, welcome to Loonof 5 tips for burping very loudly. Tip number 1. Don't even try to hide your burps. It's just stupid. Instead, just let it flow. Tip number 2. Drink a lot of soda before you burp. It'll make your burp way louder. Tip number 3. To make your burp really loud, drink a lot of soda. And though I already said that, you should also eat a lot too. It makes you almost feel like you want to throw up, but it's a good sign. Push it farther, and then you'll burp a loud one. Trust me on this. I tried. Tip number 4. If you have a really loud fart, hold it in, because then when you want to burp, you're going to use that extra gas from the fart in your burp, which will make it really loud. And here's tip number 5. Probably one of the most helpful and the most useful. Tip number 5 is don't listen to John. This is so vulgar. Remember these tips, kids. They will help when you are trying to gross out your parents.